Children, today we are going to draw a peacock with our palm. Put your hand on the paper and draw an outline. Now we will join these two lines. Now draw 2 feet. Eye. Beak. And the crown on the head. Small lines with a swirl. Add details in the feathers. Some more feathers on the body. Now let's color it. Children, you can color it with markers, color pencils, crayons, or poster paints. I like the painting more, so I'll go for it. Hope you enjoyed today's fun drawing. See you next time with some new ideas. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.